Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are just doing some cozy Christmassy makeup. Well, I wouldn't say makeup, I would just say my simple minimal facial routine. And I wanted to kind of share with you guys my budget friendly facial routine. And it's quite simple, very minimal, and I honestly love it, and it has been working for me. Now, the stores that I bought these products from has been from Ulta, from Targets. There should be a Ulta in your Targets. And then also, if you have an Ulta outside your Targets, I would definitely check them out as well if you can't find them in Targets. So I bought a couple of things, just minimal, just the mini versions of the pricey makeup products that I use, and I've cut out a lot of makeup in my daily routine. Now, I do on occasionally wear makeup, but for now I'm just cutting it short into minimal. Okay, I am going to be shaving my little mini mustache going on there, because yeah, I mean, it happens, you know what I mean? If you are a female, male, we all go through it. But honey, we ain't trying over here. We ain't trying to grow no mustaches and no beards unless it's a man, okay? But anyways, I'm gonna show you how I do that, and then just my everyday wake up and go to work. Face wash and my daily under eye cream and my moisturizers for my face. So I hope you guys enjoy. Do to support the channel and watch the video all the way to the end. And yeah, let's get into it. So first, I normally just go ahead and wash my face, and this will be a talkative tutorial because I want to not forget and not leave anything out. So get the warmest water you can get, or the hottest water, whatever your face can take. My face can take just the minimal warm. I can't use like hot water on my face. And I have a razor here that I'm just gonna go. The hotness from the towel is going to make your skin a little bit softer, so when you do go in to shave, you know, if you're a woman out there and you have like something growing on your face, and hot water will basically make the face untighten up, and so it could become more soft, and it'll be a more better feeling to, you know, kind of go in with the razor instead of having a tight face and being able to, I guess, cut yourself by doing that. So I've learned to just wet my towel really warm and place it in the spot that you want to shave your face. Now I'm gonna go in, and I go upwards because I've noticed my little mustachy thing has been growing downward, so I'm gonna go up so that it can come back in the right way. So normally you would put like some type of cream, or I would do coconut oil on it, but I don't have any coconut oil, so we're just gonna do it dry because I'm gonna go in afterwards, and I am going to moisturize my face and clean it up again. And yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like little tiny hairs there. And if you see me looking here, it's because I have another mirror here, and I'm just trying to get everything in one setting. All right, so this was what was all on my face, that nasty, those nasty little hairs. So what I'm gonna do is wash my towel again because I want to keep my face still soft for when I get ready to do my moisturizer and stuff like that. And then what I'm gonna do, and before anything, you guys, make sure you wash your hands constantly when you're touching your face. I've learned that too, because your hands is like the most germiest part of your body. So because you're touching everything. But this is my moisturizer. I got these both on the low, you guys, from Dollar Tree. Now I love this collection, and I've been using it for a week before I came and, you know, mentioned it to you guys to just see how it works on me. And it works really well. Different skin type, to each its own, but Dollar Tree has like some best products. So these two are the products that I got, and this is just a glowy vitamin C skin cream, and it has also vitamin E. And then this is just for your skin, the moisturizer, and then this is for the glowy vitamin C eye cream. And you just put this underneath your eye if you have like dark circles. And I've noticed since I've used it for like almost over a week, my dark circles that I used to have are like fading fast, and my skin complexion is getting more even. And I do have like black splotches on my face, like from having like bad acne and stuff like that. So this stuff has really helped me. And the reason why I use like water on my hands when I'm doing my moisturizer, because it feels so good, it feels refreshing. And you can do it without, but it just kind of lasts longer throughout the day with me. And make sure you get it on top of your eyelids, but make sure you don't get it into your eye, because baby, it does burn. And it doesn't matter, you can put it on your lips too as well, because you're moisturizing your lips. But it just makes your face feel so good, like for real, you guys. So if you're in Dollar Tree, definitely look for that, those two things. And then they have also some other kind, but I don't know where I put. I think they're in my makeup box, but we're just using this today. So it's fully in, it feels really good. And the next thing I'm gonna use is my vitamin C under eye cream. What I like to do is just make like a little squiggly line, just a little bit on both sides. That means I have enough to cover my eye. And I normally just make a W. And then I just kind of get it in there and wipe it towards the outside of the eye. And then you also can put it on the top portion of your eye as well, because we want that darkness too as well to lighten up and everything be even. And since I've been using this, y'all, like I really don't have any issues with it. It haven't broke me out or anything like that. And watch what I told you guys. Don't get this product into your eye, because it will burn a little bit. But just wipe it out with that same warm rag and you should be fine. And this is like my cozy Christmas season makeup / face routine. And since we did those things, this is the only makeup that I use. And these are some new finds that I found at Ulta. And I have one old thing that I normally just use, and it lasts me like for 3 years, working on 4. And this is called the Smashbox LA Light Blendable Lip and Cheek Stick. Now I don't use this for my lips. I use it sometimes for my cheeks, just to give it that rosy kind of look. And I do use it for like highlights, because I love the way that it looks. And so what I do is, and this has lasted me so long, you guys. It's been at the same little spot that when I bought it, it lasts so long. So I normally put it on top of my eyebrow, just to give it that, you know, that pop, that glow. And then I do it on my nose base And then I'll do it underneath my lip and on top of my lip. But I won't put it on my lip. And then I may put some, just for today, on my cheekbone. And then I'll just go in and blend it out. Like, I love it because it has the little blender sponge on it. And you can also use the blender sponge on your own. But it gives you that definitely nice glow. And in the summertime, if you're like going to the beach, I love this stuff. I don't know if they still carry it, but if you find it, you find it. I would check like, I will also check like Amazon too, just to see if they have it there. And just all kind of places. I do put it like on my forehead because it just gives it that pretty glow. I love it. Like, I love it, love it, love it. And I take my towel and I go back over it. I just kind of splash it just so that it can stay. Fan it out. Fan it out, girl. Fan it out. Hey. Fan it out, bro. Fan it out. So yeah. Then after that, if I want a little bit of pop in my eye and I want my eyelashes and I don't feel like putting on my fake eyelashes, I'll go in with a new find that I found, which is the Tartelette Tube-in Mascara by Tarte. And it's just a mini one, y'all. It's just like a mini, hope you guys can see that, but it's a mini one, and it's, like I said, it's by the brand Tarte. And they do sell like the mini versions if you don't want to buy like the big versions just right off or right yet. But I do, let me kind of look over here really quick. But when I first used it, this is my second time, I loved it. It just makes your eyelashes pop. And I feel like if you have short eyelashes, this is like extended. Well, see how they extend, and then over here, I don't got no eyelashes, but look, when I put the Tarte mascara on, it just gives me like those lashes like I've been dreaming and craving for. No, I haven't been craving for them, but these are really cool. So I'm just finishing up this one eyelash. Ooh, make sure you be careful though, because you can get that thing in your eye. But it did give me some kind of volume on this side. I don't know why this side is shorter than this side, but it's still beautiful. So they look way better because I had to get off the camera and fix them, but they look really good. The next thing and last thing that I use is Most Wanted by Estate. It's a new lippy that I found, and I really like it. It says priority at the back, but when I saw it, I liked it. I love that it's like a nude color and it fits me and my skin tone. So let's go ahead and add that to our regimen. Do you like your lippy or lip gloss thick? Let me know in the comment section, because there we go. We look cute, don't we? We're just casual today, honey. We ain't got all worry about all that makeup, nothing like that. So you guys, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, definitely go ahead and subscribe, turn on all post notification, and thank you so much for watching my whole Christmas month. Simple, minimal makeup and face routine for the morning. And also I do it at night, if you were wondering. I do the same thing at night. I use my two Dollar Tree finds for the night as well. And sometimes I do skip my routine and do it in the morning time if I don't have time at night, or if I don't have time in the morning, I'll try to figure it out. But anyways, y'all, I hope whatever y'all find with y'all makeup, Christmas cozy makeup and routine, face routine, I hope it works for you guys. But I'll see you in the next video. Bye.